Hi everybody, it's Derek here. Today I have with me this Membo10 manual can opener. Here is the box it comes in. It's multifunctional. Here are the features included on the left and the directions to use on the right. Pictures that follow, very easy and simple instructions. Pause to read through it if you like. Here's the back side that talks about the care instructions and the warranty. All good stuff to know. And here's the can opener itself. Comes with all the usual bells and whistles. You have the mechanism to turn the gears to cut open the can. It has a bottle opener on the top. Nice thick black handles. They extend and close down very easily. Nice and clean, brand new. It's for right-handed use. Just attach down like that. Squeeze it down until it clicks. And rotate this clockwise. Clockwise to move it around until the can opens. It's very useful, multifunctional, with a slick design. Try it out.